If you can install a heat pump, you can install Harvest Smart Thermal Battery. We start with a high-efficiency heat pump water heater that sits on a pad outside the home and generates hot water at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It only requires a 15-amp 240-volt electrical connection and can be a maximum run of 66 feet away from the hot water tank. There are no refrigerant lines that run to the tank in Harvest Pod, just standard water lines. Using a combination of rigid copper and PEX water lines makes plumbing installation simple and quick. Everything gets super well insulated, all the plumbing lines, as well as the tank. We want to keep as much heat in the tank for as long as possible to maximize customer savings. We follow the water lines up to the hydronic coil. This Harvest-designed coil heats the home by extracting a maximum amount of heat from the hot water as it circulates out of the tank, through the coil, and back into the tank. Harvest can integrate with almost any air handler, as long as the fan-only fan speed is able to achieve 400 CFM per ton of heating. This air handler can also have a refrigerant coil connected with a line set to a regular heat pump for air conditioning and auxiliary heating. Most heat pumps and air handlers will work if they are controllable by a standard 24-volt thermostat. And finally, here is the brain of the entire system. The Harvest Pod is packed with sensors and machine learning to optimize energy usage, intelligently drawing on the thermal battery to shift the heating load between the two heat pumps, keeping everyone inside super comfy. With a connection to the internet, the Harvest Pod reads the weather forecast, gets over-the-air software updates, and can access real-time electricity costs. It also has an EcoPort to enable smart grid demand response actions, which makes the Harvest Pod ready for the future. So, how does a customer experience Harvest Day today? Through the thermostat they already use, and through lower bills. Go to harvest.green and sign up to be a Harvest installer today.